Hi everyone, Mandy Rachel here. So I just wanted to show you guys the Expertnaire products marketplace and show you guys what you're going to be promoting and how you're going to be earning your commissions, because a lot of people have been asking me this same question. Mandy, what are we going to be selling on Expertnaire? And of course, this is my Expertnaire dashboard, right? So let's just go right to the product marketplace. Okay, so when you come here, you can see my name, Mandy Rachel. So this is product marketplace. Let it open. Now when this opens, right, you can see all of these things that are here. Now currently we have 106 products on Expertnaire. So these are the commissions that you're going to be earning. Look at this one now. Look at this. This one is 50% commission and it's 20,000 naira, meaning you're going to get 10,000 naira. Do you understand? This particular course here is 60,000. Affiliate commission 50%, meaning you're going to earn 30,000 naira. And guess what, guys? All of these products, once you get, look at this one, the Canada Express entry. A lot of people want to japa. Do you understand? A lot of people want to jump out of this country. If you have somebody like that and they want to know the process, there's one thing about life. When somebody has gone through the process and they found something that works, right, and you are able to recommend products like this to them. Look at this course sells for 60,000 naira. If you sell it and it's 50% commission, meaning you get 30,000 naira. No story. Now look at this one, smartphone trading 101. A lot of people want to trade with their smartphone. They are looking for somebody to teach them. The cost is 30,000 naira, 50% commission, you earn 15,000. Do you understand? So online content writing, this particular one is 14.5, 50% commission. So most of the courses on Expertnaire, 50% commission, 50%. This one, Upwork Mastermind program. This particular Upwork mastermind program is 10,000 naira. A lot of people want to do freelancing on Upwork. They don't know how to go about it. It's one thing to have your Upwork account. It's one thing to even know how to even go about doing that Upwork to be profitable and to make money. Do you understand? Some people are making millions of naira monthly doing freelancing on websites like Upwork. Now if you have something like this, right, you sell it, it's 50% commission, meaning you get 5,000 naira. Selling 10 of these is what, 50,000 naira commission. So these are the products on the product marketplace on Expertnaire. As you can see, currently 106 of them. Do you understand? And Expertnaire keeps adding more. You can see this particular product here is 80% commission. Do you understand? So basically, guys, this is how everything works. And when you are able to sell all of these products, you get paid your commissions. No long story, no long talk. And that is where the 72 ID training comes in. A lot of people don't know how to sell. A lot of you don't know how to sell, right? 72 ID is just one training that teaches you all of these things in one place, right? How to set up a digital business and all. So this is the product marketplace on Expertnaire, like as you have seen, currently 106 products. And if you're ready to get started, all you have to do right now, go to the link in my bio. Go and click on the link in my bio. Once you click on the link in my bio, it will bring you, you will see the free affiliate marketing video training there. Click on that and to get it. Do you understand? And to get connected with me on WhatsApp as well, and to understand affiliate marketing, I will show you how I've been able to run this business, how I've been able to do this business and earn consistent income for myself. I get paid every week. If you see my previous video or some of my videos, you would have seen how I am able to get paid every week on Expertnaire every Friday. And the good thing about this thing is that you don't even need to make a withdrawal request. It is paid to you automatically to your bank account. Do you understand? So I hope this clears it all for you and you understand it perfectly. So what we sell on Expertnaire are digital products, and as you can see, currently on Expertnaire there are over 100 digital products on Expertnaire that you can actually sell to make money for yourself. So many courses, right? Look at this one, dominate and monetize LinkedIn like a superstar. Do you understand? So many profitable digital courses that people are looking for, right? And the way you're going to get those people is what you're going to be learning in this episode IG training. This training is a money back guarantee training. Do you understand? See, you're going to make more than the money you're going to spend to buy this course, like times 100. Do you understand? Imagine starting a business, just getting your training, and then you use the knowledge in that training to build your business to 10 million naira revenue. Do you know what that means? To 20 million naira, to 50 million naira, to even go ahead and build your business. This is a lifelong thing. This is not something that you do now and you stop. No, this is something that you can even use the knowledge to create your own digital product in your own area of interest and sell to people that will pay you. So aside from earning affiliate commissions, you will grow your business to the point where you are now a course creator yourself and making money as a digital creator yourself. Do you see what that means? And you can do all of these things without begging your family and friends to buy from you, without dancing on Instagram or on TikTok, without stressing yourself. Do you understand? This is so seamless. This selling system works. I have tried it. You can see, you saw my dashboard at the beginning. You saw how much I've made so far, how much I've made this week alone. That's just, and this week is not even over. I'll still make more money. Do you understand? So if you're really interested in this, you want me to show you and guide you through on how to go about this, all you have to do, go to the link in my bio. If you're seeing this video maybe on my TikTok or my YouTube, anywhere you're seeing this video, just find the link anywhere, right? Maybe the comment section, maybe the learn more, but just make sure you find the link that will go to my profile. Click on the link in my bio, get the free affiliate marketing video training, and it will take you to my WhatsApp, of course, and then we can get connected on WhatsApp and then we can talk more, right? Thank you so much for watching till this point. I'll see you on the other side.